Advantages of rice water. In certain parts around the globe, euro to eat literally means euro to eat rice. Probably the most important food, rice. Rice is really a staple food for nearly 1/2 of the world's population, offering around 1/2 of the daily calories. Like a cartridge and toner. Rice water functions a great cartridge and toner to balance out the skin tone. It keeps your skin smooth and glowing. What you ought to do is simply moist the cotton swab with rice water and put it on your face. Being an acne Healbot. The outbursts of acne can be simply given rice water. Put it on around the acne using a cotton swab. The redness from the acne is going to be gradually reduced. In working with eczema. The starch contained in rice water helps in working with eczema. Simply take cool rice water and apply around the affected area. Regular application for couple of days will treat eczema.